Good afternoon.
Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for asking. How are you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm also fine. How has your day been so far, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. A little bit today is busy day.
Mhm.
Morning onwards, I connected to our conversation videos, whole learners. So it will busy day today.
Okay, super. Me too. A little bit hectic only today also. But however, I managed. I finished my housework. Okay, now
How
I'm.
is your health? How is your health, ma'am? Last time you said me.
Yeah, it's okay, ma'am. Now it's okay. Sometimes it's happened a lot of work nowadays. After creating this channel, I have a lot of work, editing, cutting, and also I focus on my kids' studies. It's too difficult, but now it's okay, ma'am. Okay.
As per our first time meeting, so please introduce yourself, ma'am.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Thank you. Let me introduce myself. First of all, thanks for giving this opportunity. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm Vishnu Priya. I'm from Tamil Nadu. I'm a homemaker. Talking about my education, I completed my graduation in engineering. As for my hobbies, I enjoy reading books, listening to music, and exploring historical places. Consider myself, I'm a diligent person, and also I'm a gregarious because I love connecting with the people. So I improving myself day by day, but I know is still I have a long way to go. But I'm practicing daily with the consistent. I run a small YouTube channel named VP English Vibes where I post English content videos, spoken English tips, and now I started posting conversational videos. That is little bit about myself. And
I think we are in same boat. Yes, ma'am. Nice introduction first, and I think we are in same boat. Let's I introduce myself, ma'am.
yes, sure, mom. I love to know about
Yes,
yourself.
I am Shashikala. I am Shashikala. I am from Tamil Nadu, currently living in Rajasthan. I am a homemaker. I have two children, and if I talk about my graduation, I completed my bachelor's degrees in computer science, and I lost 2 months before I started my YouTube journey. I also posted in only the faceless videos. Nowadays, last week onwards, I start to my conversation videos. So little bit about me, ma'am. My
Uh,
hobbies are reading books and listening music. And nowadays, I connected with a lot of new peoples. Day by day, I improve my fluency. So this is are my hobbies, ma'am.
Okay, that's great to hear. Nice introduction, ma'am. I have watched your couple of videos. Recently, only you started your face videos. Before that, you started posting some English
Yeah.
to Tamil sentences. It was very
Yes,
nice.
yes. PPT videos.
Yes. Okay, PPT videos. Okay, but it's is it too difficult to face to put those type of videos?
Ma'am, the long video, na ma'am, it will take minimum 3 hours, ma'am. When I sit and edit it, minimum 3 hours it will take.
Okay.
But literally, I give. Sometimes I feel my hand pain also.
Oh
We
my God.
type it long. Just 10 minutes video, it will take 1.5 hours, ma'am. 20-30 minutes, we want to post that type of video. Manual typing is very difficult.
Oh my God. Okay. Which app do you use to for editing?
Canva, ma'am, Canva.
Canva.
I know Canva because I had one YouTube channel, cooking channel,
Okay.
in first Corona wave. So that time I learned editing and video editing and I video taking process. So that time I know it. That time onwards, until I use only Canva, ma'am.
Okay. But recently I started also used some Tamil to English sentences, but the Tamil font is too difficult to display on. Actually, I'm used CapCut also. In CapCut doesn't this be an editor, but I don't know.
Yes, ma'am.
But just I try to post that.
Canva is easy, ma'am. Once you try it, Canva, because Canva gives the subtitle free, totally free on some videos. So you use it Canva.
Okay. In CapCut also subtitle free, but in
Okay.
Canva don't know how to use that. Okay.
Yes. We want to utilize. It will take time. One or two video you edited. After that, you familiar to that app.
Okay. Hereafter I'll try to edit Canva also.
Try it once, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, thank you for
Yes.
this wonderful
Okay, ma'am.
information.
When you start your English learning journey, ma'am?
Yes, I started my learning English. Actually, during my school and college days, okay, I will know about the English also, but I read and write everything. But now I'm practicing this language. Actually, I'm actively learning 1 year, I can say. After starting this channel only, I improved a lot. I never thought I would start a YouTube channel. And just I started YouTube channel because I want to improve my communication skills. That's the purpose only. And every YouTubers also said that if you start your YouTube channel, then
Yes, sir.
you improve a lot. And also I don't want to stay idle at home because if I have some commitments, that times we do it regularly. So that's the one of the main purpose only. And after starting my channel only, I learned so many things: how to create videos, how to upload them, and what kind of content to make. So I learned so many things from through my channel also, and also I interact with the people through my channel. It also helped to me improve my communication skills also. And before that, in through speaking platform also, I got so many friends only. My friends only also support me a lot to improve my communication skills. At my home, no one's know that I run a YouTube channel. Okay, this is my journey to start.
Definitely, ma'am. When we seriously committed anything, that time we follow our consistency. Otherwise, we never follow up our passion because this is the universal homemaker truth.
Yes,
Our mindset is same. Why we do it? We otherwise once we decided it, our desire. After that, our family members and never gives the chance. So we always waiting for that perfect times. The perfect times never comes in our way. So we want to only voluntarily created our path. So we want to journey. We want to go our journey.
yes. Journey, ma'am. When did you start your YouTube
Yes,
channel?
yes, ma'am. My schooling is totally Tamil medium. So once I enter into my engineering college, that time only I start my English learning. First years I face lot of difficult, and then after I pick up that language, and after that I never spoke in front of others. Just only read books and articles every day, and every day I updated my field. But I the curious, ma'am, because I don't get the chance to that outside of job. So the curiously, I every day I read it at least one article in a day. So the 2 3 years before only I attend my kids' parents meeting. That time the ma'am said, "Ma'am, you are from South India, na? So you please could you give me the feedback some regarding to our school." So that time I realized, okay, I have stage fear. I'm not to expose my knowledge in front of 10 peoples. Okay, so that time I realized it what I want to improve in my side. So then after I searched lot of platforms, but I couldn't find out anything for safely for especially for our homemakers. I one day I randomly scroll our YouTube. That time YouTube shows me one Sunita Adventures, that YouTube channel. So that after I joined that community, and after that my co-learners and my mentor gives a lot of knowledge with me, and I every day I connect with at least three co-learners in a day. So I speak every day. Last 2 months only I started my journey, ma'am. Before that I couldn't express my thoughts, articulate my thoughts in front of single members also. But nowadays I think I speak in manageable English, I think. So then after only I start my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel began, the reason is I want to maintain my consistency. So that's the reason I started my channel. So it will okay. And now my journey is going on, man.
Okay, super. That's inspiring me a lot. Okay, that's great. Okay, you joined in Sunita ma'am WhatsApp? No, is a paid WhatsApp group or
Sunita's adventure.
Sunita's Adventures?
Yes, ma'am. No, not free. That's a paid WhatsApp group.
Okay,
Ma'am gives a one story in a day, and weekly 4 times, 4 days, ma'am conduct the session. The session, ma'am teach grammar rules and whatever some rules, and they give the example sentence. Our group members also discuss that example sentence. But ma'am, we don't connect it to direct to ma'am, but we connected only weekly 4 days. in a group calling, and after that we practice each other in our group members only.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, just I want to know about this one, so that's the reason only I.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay,
Last week, ma'am, I connected with Bhuvana ma'am. So Bhuvana ma'am joined with one WhatsApp group. Bhuvana ma'am have that WhatsApp group now. So I joined that group also. So nowadays I have that English speaking circumstance around me. So every day I practice English this way.
Okay, okay, super. But how to manage your time to you also spend time with your co-learners, and also you taking videos, and also you posting some of them on YouTube. How to manage to those everything?
Ma'am, actually, my kids leave to school at 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock to 3 o'clock, I have time, ma'am. So that time I finished my household chores, and then after I want to edit whatever I want to do it, I finish it before the 3 o'clock.
Oh,
After 3 o'clock, definitely I can't do that.
correct, correct. Okay, okay. But it's a little bit difficult for me also. Actually, my children are also going to school around 8 o'clock. But after that, only I finished balance my household works. Then I have less time only in that times only creating content. What type of content to post? That task only is too challenging
The
for me.
content.
Yes, correct.
Yes, ma'am. The content creation is a very big task. The people think YouTubers never do nothing. So YouTubers got money very easily. That example is the grass is greener than other side.
Yes,
We
yes.
know very well what are the hard work we do it. We give our timing. So we only know, ma'am, but other person don't know what they do.
Correct. Even
So
after
it
our
will.
only no one knows. Okay, after finishing our housework, then I take phone, or that time everyone also said that. Okay, you keep on scrolling through mobile only.
Yes.
You doing nothing. That type of okay criticisms also faced.
So, yes, ma'am.
But we.
Definitely, definitely. Each and every. Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes. You said.
Yes, yeah, okay. So it's too difficult to do
Yes,
everything
ma'am.
only. Once kids also came to school, came from school. That time only kids also that from morning to still now you always free only. Then now again you take phone and you have a conversation with someone and editing. You don't feel, you feel bored. Some type of some things also they scold every times only. Okay, but it's too challenging to create.
We face it every day, ma'am. We are homemakers. We actually we feel very proud ourselves because
Yes,
we
correct.
do multitask every day. But that opposite, we demotivated ourselves, our own. We give the trouble to ourselves. That
Correct.
is nowadays I realize. No, no, you do good job. So you
Mm.
give self motivation to you.
Correct. Correct.
That is very important.
Yes. Okay. And have you noticed after creating your channel, have you improved a lot, or have you noticed anything, your improvement?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I improved a lot. I learned. I posted vocabulary in my channel. I also learned, and after only I write it down. I create the PPT format.
Okay.
So I learned a lot vocabularies and idioms, new idioms and phrases. And my channel long video mainly I focus in the sentence pattern structure
Yes.
because the very some people start their English journey from scratch. So that thing I posted some structure format of English sentence that is like a brick. We made kids make it the house now the building blocks.
Mm.
So that like a building blocks only. Only we don't fear about the grammatical part. Only we read the sentence and after that we practice that sentence. That like a ready-made brick, ready-made wall.
Okay.
So we only concentrate about that sentence, and after that we connected with any other member. We practice that sentence.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. How do you practice spoken English every day, ma'am? What are the strategies you follow?
Yes, yes, sure. I will share my thoughts. In the beginning, I put a lot of effort into the four language skills. Everyone said that LSRW. I also put a lot of effort into the four skills. For reading also, I used to read a small storybooks, kids storybooks, because it's also helped to improve my sentence structures and reduce my grammar also. And also I said that I mentioned, as I mentioned before, I joined some speaking platform. So every day they shared some a passage, a small passage or reading passage, everything they shared, and also I read it and send it through audio note only. And then after that, writing, I maintain a journal. I'm fond of writing. Whatever I came across some vocabularies, just I write in my notebooks. And also I write a journal. Whatever I did throughout the day, just I write it and I before going to the bed. It also helped to express my ideas clearly to other person. Then for speaking, I talk with my friends and I talk with the co-learners. But in the beginning, not nowadays, it's too difficult. In the beginning, I used to the same. I talked with my co-learners and sometimes they shared some topics. I used to do whatever in my mind, just I share it through audio note only. Sometimes my friends also available. They used some Zoom meeting. I connect through Zoom meeting. I talk with my friends. But it's also helped me a lot for some instant, but after that I directly interact with the people. It also helped to improve a lot. So nowadays I don't have that much time to put a lot of effort to LSRW. In the beginning also, the listening is not my cup of tea, but instead of what I did, just I listened to some Mahabharata episode, the podcast on 74
Yes, yes, yes.
episode is there. So I listened to one podcast for 2 days because listening is too challenging for me. But I finished all the podcast. After that only I got some ideas how to use those words only. Nowadays, listening and speaking only is mandatory for my practicing. Speaking, just I speak with the help of ChatGPT. Just 10 or 15 minutes, I don't have too much force on myself. Only for 20 minutes only my speaking practice. Just I choose topic and I express myself. If I don't have any ideas about particular topic, just I use to Google or ChatGPT and some ideas from those topics only. After that, I create my own sentences only because it's also help to speaking, improve my speaking skills and also with confidence to speak other person only. Then after that, listening. Before going to bed, I listen to some conversational videos. It's also get some ideas. Okay, what type of questions people also asked and what type of answer we should to answers like that. That type of strategies also I used from those some conversational videos. And so this is my strategies nowadays. And now I actively participate one speaking platform, Teacher Sivsar platform only. I love that platform only because after joining his platform only, I know about many things. I learned so many things also. Okay, first we know about basic knowledge in the particular language only. Because even in our mother tongue, we can't express everything through our mother tongue only, like politics or some other things. Even what is confidence now, just we don't express ourselves through Tamil, like just one or two sentence only we give something to our kids also. But in English, it's too difficult for those type of things only. Okay, those type of topics only, if we learn, then only we can express our ideas clearly. So that type of ideas also,
Definitely.
I got it from those platform only. So I love that platform. I actively participate in those platforms. Only reading or tongue twist
Okay.
description, that type of activities. But I'm not participate in with speak with the co-learners. I have less time only. Instead of what I did, just I speak with my friend only. Whenever she is available, I talk with my friend around half an hour or sometimes 1 hour. So this is my daily practicing to improve my communication skills. I think it's too lengthy. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Very nice. No, 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 not like that. Very nice, very nice. You share with your experience. I listen your words. Ma'am, you said platform, no? The platform is paid or free, ma'am?
Free platform. Actually, he is a
Free platform.
YouTuber, but two platforms also is available, paid version also free version. But I used a free version only. Daily he shared one reading activity, picture description, tongue twister, and also phrasal and advanced vocabularies. Everything he shared in
EDMs,
particular day.
everything.
Yes,
Okay, okay, okay,
everyone
okay.
also speak through audio note only, and also many of the co-learners also start speaking
Yes.
session only with the co-learners. they conduct so many sessions also, and sometimes sir also takes session. But at that time I'm not able to participate. But if I participate one or two session, that time I got so many ideas from one particular session only. That's the
Yes, yes,
I
definitely,
enjoy a lot.
definitely. We do.
Yes, really, I'm really.
Yes. We don't much time because some my side also, ma'am, conducted session that time. I'm busy with my children, so sometimes it will happen. But we always maintain our consistency. That automatically we gain our knowledge and we improve our fluency. That is very important.
Correct, correct. Yes, definitely. The time only is difficult to find
Yes, ma'am.
time. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. The time management is very difficult, and apart from that, we focus on our mental health. That is very important. We can't compare to others. We don't. We never compare to other people because some people's already complete their milestone. But in our side, we want to go extra mile. So the comparison is big enemy for us. So we never compare to others. Just we follow up our passion.
Yes, yes, correct, correct. What type of practicing do you do in the usually, and which practice do you like most, and which practice do you less you feel bored or difficult?
Uh, yes, the shadowing practice is very bored, ma'am, because we feel monotonous. So I sometimes I do shadowing practice, and most of that I like practice is conversation practice. I like a lot. Every day I connect with new strangers, so I learn each and every one different cultures they connected. So I learn different cultures. Already I am in North India. So sometimes I connect with Tamil people now. Maybe that feeling is very different.
Yes,
I
yes.
every day I stay with only North Indians. So sometimes maybe somewhere we saw Tamil people. That time we feel our mother feelings something
Yes,
else.
correct. At that time we feel excited and also is over the moon.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Now you currently you which state are you mentioned?
Rajasthan.
Okay, okay. Do you know Hindi then? You do learn?
Yes, ma'am. I know Hindi. Nowadays I read and start write also. I
Okay.
know Hindi and Marwadi.
So you speak
Telugu, ma'am.
Hindi.
Yes. I speak very well. I speak very well in Telugu, but
Oh,
I don't read it. I understanding and that Gujarati and Maharashtra Marathi, but
oh,
I only give the reply in Hindi.
oh my God. How many languages?
Passing level of language.
Okay, okay. How many languages do you
Our my mother tongue is Tamil, ma'am, and English. Our already we learn it, and Telugu and Malayalam little bit only, just basic level, and Marathi, Gujarati, Marwadi, Rajasthani. That's it.
Oh my God. How many language? Okay, super. Even one language is so difficult to speak. Okay, you have well knowledge person. I love learning Hindi, but
No, ma'am, no.
I love learning Hindi, but I'm not I don't know, but a little bit only I can speak Hindi. But I read and write.
I will teach you, ma'am.
Yeah,
Okay,
sure.
you read and write.
Yes, I know read and write, how to read and because
Okay,
I teach
okay,
my
okay.
daughter only. So that time I learn
Okay.
and write. So a little bit only I can speak, not fluent. Just
Okay.
I go to some shop in other state. That time I can manage through Hindi also. I communicate easily, but not fluently. Just basic. Beginners one.
Yes. But I'm now I am in beginner level of writing like LKG first standard student in Hindi because I don't know Hindi write and read. But nowadays I only teach my kids in Hindi now, so I started to write and read. What is your biggest goal for you English speaking journey?
My biggest goal, everyone said that I become an elegant speaker, confident speaker in front of others. That is my biggest goal. And apart from that, I become a successful YouTuber. That is my biggest goal. Because if I
Yes,
become
yes,
a
yes.
successful YouTuber,
Because we,
yes, if I become a successful YouTuber, that also the communication skills also comes naturally. Just I thought, yes,
because that behind the scene is we give our heart and soul for that YouTube.
yes,
So
yes,
that's the reason every YouTuber wants to become a successful YouTuber. That big challenge for us, because next year, 2027 onwards, YouTube change total
yes, correct.
criteria. It will give
Whatever.
some jack.
Yes, yes. I know, but how
Yes,
is
ma'am.
8,000 watch hours only? If you get, then only you get monetization. Otherwise, it's too difficult.
Already we give lot of
Oh,
hard working.
yes, correct, correct. How to get that watch hours only? I don't know. However, I put a lot of effort and post something my solo videos or conversation videos, but they get only less views only. I don't know how to upload videos only, but it's too difficult to.
Yes, ma'am. I also bothering about that because my subscribers love to that short videos, especially for shorts.
Correct, correct.
Yes, I posted to long video, they also get monotonous, ma'am, because learning is boring process. So no one, anyone have the burning desire, that person only listen full video. But other ones just scrolling now, it will happen. Our
Correct.
side also we do it
Yes,
a
yes.
lot, so
Yes,
it
for
will
me too,
happen.
also just
So
scrolling through whatever that time is interesting to come. Just a few minutes I stay and I watch that. After that, I scroll, I swipe that videos only. So everyone also do like this only. And the short,
yes, yes.
yes, is get more views and also got some subscriber also. But long videos, it didn't get it anything.
But the drawback of short videos count is not calculated in our watching hours. That's a big
Yes,
drawback.
that million views, I think, 1 million, 10 million views or like that.
Yes, yes, yes. 10 million views, 10 million views.
1,000 views is too difficult.
That's a very long.
Correct, correct.
Yes, it's a long journey, ma'am. We continuously posted our conversational videos. It will possible.
Oh, okay, okay. But some of the YouTubers also said that mostly I watched how to get views, how to get subscriber, how to get watch hours, that type of videos only. Nowadays only I watched more and more. Some of the YouTubers also said that if you post continuously, YouTube algorithm is collapsed and they confused. Okay, which videos to so that people's only it's also recommend is too difficult like that type of things also I heard from some of the YouTuber. So I don't know, okay, if I post continuously or weekly 2 or 3 videos, what type of videos have should I post.
I also don't have that much knowledge, but I just know I want to maintain my consistency. That is my main
Yes,
goal. That's it.
whether we get views or not, just we improve ourselves only, that type of
Yes, yes.
situation for me. Yes, is for us.
Once we achieve our goal, then after automatically the behind the part of is run behind us. That is my motto is that's only.
Correct, correct. At my home also, whatever I do, okay, you whatever you post, you didn't get any views, then why you put a lot of effort? Whenever you get time, just you post it like way only, like that.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes, yes.
Correct.
Sometimes we feel frustrated. Sometimes we feel monotonous. Yes, ma'am. It's all one feel same thing.
Okay, okay. Then how to stay motivated yourself only? If you get some less views, if you got some lot of views, that times how do you stay motivated yourself? You feel you feel frustrated or something like that.
Sometimes, no, sometimes the most of the time when I uploaded my shorts video, my shorts definitely reach 1K, thousand views in each and every single short. But when I posted my long video only, it will take 100 views. It will take 3 to 4 days. So, but the long video, I give the lot of hard work that video. Every long video, it will take 4 hours. So that time, I'm missing my spend with my kids time. I miss lot of things that day. so little bit frustrated for me, but I don't have another choice because I only choose this path. I tolerate that things. What, ma'am? We
Yes,
can't do nothing.
correct. We only choose that no complaints with the other person only. Yes,
No
definitely.
complaints.
Correct, definitely, absolutely correct. Okay. Your goal for the next 6 months. I think the time is
The
running.
next 6 months, my first goal is I want to become an entrepreneur in food side, food related products,
Okay.
and I already start my works, but I do it R&D works, but I want to settle to one place, that is fixed place. I didn't decide it in my side, so I waiting for that moment. And nowadays I focus in my YouTube journey and English platforms. So a lot of homemakers don't get the chance to learning English. So I work in a background and the website, practicing website. I start my work. Maybe I launch quickly, so it will use for a lot of homemakers.
Yes, yes. Super nice to hear. Great goal also, I would say. Okay. Okay, mom. It's lovely talking with you. It was lovely conversation with you.
Thanks for giving opportunity, ma'am. You connected with me. That is big privilege for me.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, mom. Take care. Bye bye.